Is there room for this vanity pouch in your collection?
Shall we begin?
Welcome back to the Handbag Heaven, your go-to channel for all things luxury fashion and style. Today we're diving deep into a piece that blends modern playfulness with timeless Louis Vuitton elegance, the Vanity PM. So I'm sure you know that Takashi Murakami, the Japanese contemporary artist, and Louis Vuitton, the iconic luxury fashion brand, have collaborated once again, and the collection will be dropping in January 2025. I have released a video with the leaked pictures of items that will be included in the release. I have been looking through the items and trying to decide if I'm going to be adding something to my collection. I compared the new items to my current collection. Specifically, I have been looking at the new multicolor Vanity Pochette and comparing it to my Vanity PM from the Game On collection. So let's start with the Vanity PM, which is the OG. The bag was released back in 2020. Then in 2023, LV updated the design. And this year, LV released the Vanity Pochette. Now, LV is releasing a new version of the Pochette. The pouch already has a sleek and modern shape, and Murakami's artistry is taking it to a whole new level. The multicolor design adds an extra layer of depth and complexity to the bag, making it truly eye-catching. However, the Game On collection was released as part of Louis Vuitton's Cruise 2021 line, designed by Nicolas Ghesquière. Inspired by the game of cards, it combines LV's iconic monogram canvas with playful heart and spade motifs. The Vanity PM is one of the standout pieces from this collection, and it's no surprise why. So, if you had to choose between the two, which would you choose? If you have been thinking about adding a Vanity PM or a Pochette to your collection, keep watching as I go into details on the difference between the two. Let's look at the size and shape. The Vanity PM takes its inspiration from Louis Vuitton's classic toiletry and vanity bags, but this one has been completely reimagined as a chic structured crossbody. Measuring at 7.5 inches by 5.1 inches, it's small but mighty. Perfect for carrying your essentials while adding that statement flair to your outfit. The pouch takes its inspiration from the Vanity PM. Both bags are very similar except for the size. From the front, you can't really tell the difference. Both bags are actually the same width, but there is a significant difference in the depth. The pouch is only 2.6 inches. Now let's talk details. When it comes to the materials, the Vanity PM is crafted from coated monogram canvas with smooth calfskin leather trim. The standout feature of the Game On version is, of course, the vibrant card motifs. Notice the red hearts and spades perfectly integrated into the classic LV pattern, adding a fun yet luxurious pop of color. When it comes to the pouch, it is made from the same type of material. However, the standout feature is the multicolor design. It is a more vibrant version of the iconic monogram motif, including the Murakami's signature pop-colored palette. The gold tone hardware is another signature Louis Vuitton touch, from the double zip closure to the padlock that adds an extra layer of sophistication. And can we take a moment to appreciate the leather key bell with the gold LV letters? It's an extra detail that truly elevates the overall look. As you know, the Vanity PM design was changed, particularly the lock was moved from the zipper closure. A new leather tab was added under the zipper closure, and the lock was moved to this area. I still don't know how I feel about the change, but I can see how the weight of the lock can make the bag start to sag in that area. Inside the Vanity PM, you've got a microfiber lined interior, which is soft and luxurious with just enough space for your essentials: phone, card holder, lipstick, agenda, and maybe a small perfume. It's compact but perfect for a day to night transition. Interior also includes a flat pocket. However, the pouch do not. From the information on the LV site, the pouch can fit a 6.7-inch phone, a coin purse, earphones, sunglasses, keys, and lipstick. Not much. The pouch that will be released in the Takashi Murakami collection seems to be the same in terms of the general design. But I did see that some of the bags in the collection includes this leather tab documenting the 20-year anniversary of the collaboration. That's cool. As a collector, I think all limited edition pieces should be stamped with the collection name and date. I wish this vanity had the collection and date on the leather tab. Styling this Vanity PM bag is a breeze. Although it comes with only one leather braided chain, the bag can be worn top handle, shoulder, or crossbody. It pairs well with anything from a casual jeans and blazer combo to a sleek evening dress. It's versatile enough to wear with neutrals or bolder colors, thanks to the striking contrast of the red, white, and blue motifs against the black. But when it comes to the Takashi Murakami collection multicolor pouch, which base color is white, I think there will be some limitations when it comes to styling, especially if you don't wear white during the fall and winter. However, it is versatile with the leather adjustable and removable strap that allows you to wear it comfortably crossbody. You can also carry it as a chic top handle bag or wear it over the shoulder using the removable leather braided chain. This is a change from the previous version, which only comes with the leather braided chain strap. Now, let's talk about value. The Vanity PM from the Game On collection was released in 2020 at $2,760. While it's a little higher in price for a smaller bag, you're paying for a limited edition piece that has high potential for value retention. LV is known for their bags holding strong resale value, and this one is no different. The Vanity PM in general, value retention is approximate 73 to 75%. From 2020 to 2021, the Vanity PM initially had strong value retention at around 78% of its retail price, but then from 2022 to 2024, as more bags entered the resale market, the value retention dipped slightly. This is consistent with the overall trend for LV bags, which maintain good value retention over time, especially limited editions. Because I already have the Vanity PM from the Game On collection, and I don't see the need for both bags in my collection, I could sell my Game On Vanity bag to get the new multicolor pouch from the Takashi Murakami collection. But honestly, I prefer the Game On collection version over the multicolor Vanity. I just love the heart motif. I guess I will keep looking for another piece from the collection. Overall, the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM is a playful yet timeless piece that adds a pop of fun to any outfit while still maintaining that luxury edge. If you're looking for a statement bag that's small but impactful, this is definitely one to consider. When compared to the Vanity chain pouch, there are some noticeable differences. It just depends on your preferences in terms of design, style, and value as to which bag to choose. Let me know in the comments. Do you have a Vanity PM or pouch? Are you planning to add one to your collection? Or are you planning to purchase something from the new Takashi Murakami collection? Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this review. Consider subscribing to the Handbag Heaven if you are interested in all things luxury. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next Keeping Up with the Collection video. See you next time.